Proper usage of an ultra-low-volume nozzle with your Tomahawk fogger ensures you're getting the ideal droplet size for effective mosquito control. Start by removing the standard fan nozzle from the end of the blower tube. Next, install the ULV nozzle in its place and secure it tightly using a hose clamp and screwdriver. Then, reinstall the water line. Once the nozzle is in place, remove the outer cap to reveal the rubber gasket inside. This gasket helps control droplet size. Remove the gasket to show 4 holes, each a different size. The smallest hole will produce a 25-micron droplet, ideal for treating fine airborne pathogens. The largest hole will produce 100-micron droplets, better for outdoor pest control where some wind resistance is needed. Choose your desired hole based on the job and position the rubber gasket so that only that hole remains exposed. Then, reinstall the nozzle tip securely. To start the engine, turn the throttle switch to the on position. Close the choke and press the primer bulb 3 to 5 times. Pull the recoil starter cord, then slowly open the choke as the engine warms. For the best results, use chemicals labeled for ULV applications and adjust the droplet size based on crop density, pesticide type, and target pest. For more tips, support, and updates, don't forget to click subscribe.